I beg, keep quiet, Jerry. Do fast, do fast. How many blocks I don't carry? How many you don't carry?
Do fast.
Who is this now? You shouldn't be calling me during work hours now. Oh. I've told this woman not to be calling me during work. Bia, Amuche, how many times have I told you not to be calling me during work hours? And this woman, how many times? Please, I'm busy. I'm busy, Biko.
Hello? Hello? Yeah. What is even wrong with this man? He would not wait for somebody to pass an important message or call to a call. Oh. He will not even...
Who's this again now? Can't they allow someone to walk in peace? This woman. Yeah, Amuche, haven't I told you not to call me when I'm walking?
Listen to me first. Listen to me. Your blood is always too hot. I have something urgent to tell you.
What is urgent about the matter?
Wait for your brother. That GSM company has paid him and he has been lying to you.
What?
Nah, Oburoke, what? I am serious. You better come home as fast as possible, leave whatever you are doing and come back here right now.
Yeah, Amuche.
Hello? Yeah. Hey, what is the meaning of this now? Eh?
Why would my brother be this mean? Huh? I am here suffering under the sun, day in, day out. An opportunity of a lifetime comes. An opportunity that can make both of us billionaires overnight comes out from our father's inheritance. And he wants to seize it all to himself? No. This is undiluted wickedness. And I can't let it happen. Never.
Agud, you're not going to work today?
No, I'm going to the village.
Village?
Yes.
It's not weekend yet. Besides, you just came back from the village. I hope all is well.
All is not well.
What is it?
Remember that phone company I told you about?
Yes.
The one I told you some time ago that they want to come and mount a mask on our land in the village.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, I got a call that they have paid him the money. And he's lying to me that they have not paid him.
Huh?
I'm telling you.
Hey,
Okay.
how can your brother be this mean? This is not fair now.
Yes, Yoko.
Hey! No. This is wickedness. Wickedness.
Do you know what I want to do? I don't want it to look as if someone called me on the phone and told me something I didn't verify. And I started acting funny. I want to go to the village and confront him face to face,
Yes.
man to man,
Yes.
and hear what he has to say.
That's a good idea.
If I found out the truth, and I found out that he's lying to me, don't worry, you will hear.
It's better you go and find out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
A nice sleep.
Okay, I'll see you.
Ah! Nje mmadụ. Hai, afụrụ ego no, onye ọbụla tepuzie nwanne ya. Ha!
How did you know my brother has been paid?
My husband, money is like pregnancy. You cannot hide it no matter how much you try. Simple calculation.
You're right. So tell me, did you see him buy any property?
Yeah, oh, you know, sometimes you just ask some kind of questions that just annoys me a lot. What do you mean by that? Listen to me. Your brother bought Mama Farm's land, the one by the roadside.
My brother?
Your sister. Mama Dikeh told me yesterday that your brother bought that land for 1.8 million naira.
It's a lie.
Nam, it is true. It is true. What are you even saying? Listen, I'm not even telling you this so that you will not go and ask anybody or make inquiries. You can go ahead. No, tell me. Where did your brother get such amount of money from to buy that kind of property if they haven't paid him? Use your sense. Be calculative. Look at you. You'll be in Onitsha suffering under the sun every day, and this kind of opportunity comes for you to change your life. Your brother decided to seize everything. Nam, you need to open your eyes. You will not be the fool and he the wise one. It's not to open your eyes and be surprised. It's for you to open your eyes and take action.
I know one story. Don't tell monkey. Forget cock and bull story. I know one here story. Forget this story. I know one story. Now my share I want to. Give me my share. Just give me my share.
Welcome. Thank you. Thank you. All right, thank you very much. Oh. I got it. No greeting from you at all. No greeting from you. I hope all is well. Okay. I see you came back home. I was working on it.
Brother, whose boss is this?
I bought the boss. My boss. Let me tell you the plan. See all these, those big names. Kenneth Lichuku, Ghost Charis, Young Shagro. They all started like this. Small boss. From there. So my plan is to put this one in transport line. To be making some gotcha.
So you bought this boss?
You don't like the boss? But is it too big? Yeah.
Is it because of money? Money, is it because of money? The truth I told you.
No.
Is enough for us.
I thought I heard voices outside. What is it? Who are those people shouting outside?
My brother just drove in with a new boss. He even had the guts to tell me that he wants to give it to a transport company to make more money for him.
Aha! I said it. I said it. When I talk, they'll say Amuche talks too much or she's making too much noise. Now, tell me, what other evidence do you need to let you know that your brother has been paid by these people? Tell me.
So, he was paid the money after all. And he didn't deem it necessary to tell me before he started spending this money like no man's business.
The same person you call your brother. My husband, open your eyes. Shine your eyes. Ha!
Okay. Odima, no problem. I will make sure I go to him later and demand for my own share of the money. I will do that later.
You say later? What happened to now? God, what happened to now? Why later? I'm asking you something, you're moving in slow motion. Agodi! You have to go and confront him now.
And when your blood runs in my body, even when aquatic blood, together we are stronger. Just believe in me, and I will believe in you.
I thought you considered in bringing the boss home today.
My brother saw me return home today. He did not greet me. I'm telling you. I had to walk up to him, welcomed him, and asked him about work. He didn't respond. Only for him to ask me who owns the boss. I told him it's my boss. He did not even congratulate me. Just ignored me, walked away, walked into his house.
I don't know what his problem has been since he returned from the city. Ordinary bread. Bread and kiton go to line. He did not buy for us.
Huh. Are you serious? I got it. Did not buy bread.
He did not buy it. Even when I greeted him, you needed to see the way he answered me. Oh, Sam. I didn't even hear what he said. I don't know what his problem is.
Yeah, whatever. No problem.
But my husband, you finally came home with the boss.
The boss is outside.
I go walk him. I go walk him. I go dim. I like it. Timo! It is too much. Let me go and see it.
Okay. Okay.
Wait for Goya. Have you seen it? Agodi, have you seen it? Nzewi's wife is out there, happy that her husband brought back a boss. Now those are the people that know how to eat money, how to enjoy life. We are the ones that know how to suffer.
Every morning, afternoon, night, day in, day out, I go there. Move to various building sites to labor just to make ends meet. And all of a sudden, a lifetime opportunity comes. And my brother wants to seize it all to himself.
Do you know what is even annoying? I mean, I am angry because I don't know how one's blood will be wicked and selfish to his own brother. How?
Okay, I know what to do. I will wait for night to come.
Yeah.
Then I will go to him and ask him some questions. If he gives me a stupid answer, no, heads we roll. I'm saying heads we roll. Nze we.
It's not to shout. It's not to shout. It's to take action. Pikono, do something. Delay is dangerous. It is better you fight now. Later is not good. We have to fight now.
Madam, good evening. How's everything?
Thank God.
Please, tell your husband I'm around, that I want to have a word with him. Brother, good evening.
You can say whatever you want to say. Please let me go and rest. I was about to sleep before my wife called.
Can I at least sit down?
What sort of question is that? Huh? What does that mean? When you come to my house, do you usually ask me if you should sit down? If you want to sit, you sit. You don't want to sit, you go. Speak now. Okay, let me go and rest.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Did you thank me when I brought in my boss? Go straight to the point.
I have come to ask you about the money that the telephone company promised to pay. I want to know if they have paid. Have they?
Is that all you came to ask me?
Yes.
They have not paid. Can I go to bed now?
I know what
Good night.
now my share I want to give me my share. Just give me my share. A queen alugego, not manya. No wonder they say my brother.
What happened? I didn't hear voices. Can you just say something? What happened?
I'm confused. I don't know what to believe anymore.
You are confused. You don't know what to believe anymore. And what's that supposed to mean?
He said I've not paid him.
Chiribudu. We told you they have not paid him. And you believed him. Now God, you tell me you believe Nsewi. That he has not been paid by the telephone company. You believed him.
But, okay, what would you have me do? Eh? What do you want me to do?
No, come, enter here. Come and enter this place, enter here. You will know what to do. You are asking me what you should do. Your brother is busy buying properties, eating the money meant for the two of you, lying to you that the telephone company has not paid him, and you are asking me what you should do. Mba, yeah? Come and enter. If you enter here, you will know what to do. Just sit down here, oh? Sit down, sleep, eat, relax. Tomorrow morning, you pack your bag, go back to Onitsha and continue your bricklayer work while your brother is there, eating your future. It is common sense, they call it. Akonuche. If you don't have it now, old age it will not come. Use it while you have it. You're asking me what you should do. Come and ask me.
I don't even understand anymore. I mean, what should I believe now?
Is it possible that my brother has collected this money and doesn't want to give me my share? No way. No, I don't think so. My brother cannot do such a thing. No, not my brother. But what about the things he has been buying? Where did he get the money from? God, I am so confused now. How can my brother change overnight?
But I know you like it now.
Well, I'll manage, even though it could be better.
It could be better. It could be better.
You see, when you change style sometimes, you go like that.
Great.
What kind of love play is this one?
Am I supposed to be playing with you?
Brother, good afternoon.
Welcome.
Husband, you're welcome.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
And the children?
We are all fine.
Good to hear. I got this for you.
How?
Please manage this.
Good boy.
You don't used to listen. Thank you.
You see, in my brother's eyes, he never sees me as a grown-up man. He will always see me as a small boy. He doesn't know I'm big now, with beards. Grown-up man.
It's true.
This talk, good one, my boy.
Oh, God. Where's my wife?
She will be cooking at the backyard.
Oh, really? Okay. Brother, I just rushed in.
Okay.
Let me get to my room, drop my bag, and I'll be back.
Hurry and come. Good news. There's good news.
I said when I received your call, the way you sounded, it was so alarming. I had to abandon everything I was doing to rush down here. I'll be right back.
No, No.
Hey, I got it, my brother. You see this God in heaven? He's a good God. I'm telling you. He knows how to wipe away tears from people's eyes. He knows how to take a man from being poor to becoming rich at his own time.
It is true. Brother, the suspense is too much for me to bear.
Tell me what happened?
Agodi, God has finally remembered us.
Amen.
Our years of suffering, years of poverty, all wiped out.
Amen.
Over.
What happened? What is it?
I was on my own, no. You know that our kinsman, the one that works with that big company, NTM, he came to me. He told me that their company wants to erect their masts. You know mast, that long something they used to push signal, receive, I don't know, that long.
Very high.
Yeah. That their company wants to erect it on our land. Yes, the land near that road that leads to the church. That land. One day, he said their company is going to pay us 10 million naira now. Then 10 million naira 10 years after.
It's a lie.
I began to ask myself, how many are we? Is it not just me and you?
God, I thank you. God, I thank you. Poverty has left us. Poverty. Bye-bye. Poverty has left us.
Thank you.
Poverty has left us. Oh, poverty, bye-bye. Poverty, bye-bye. Hey, 10 million naira.
Brother, when are they coming?
When are they coming? When are they coming?
My brother cannot change overnight. No, not my brother. Money cannot change him overnight. I don't believe so.
Are you not coming to bed?
I'm not feeling sleepy.
Use your sense. Calculate. How can your brother be buying properties? He bought a land, bought a boss. No, just do 1 and 2. It's simple arithmetic. You don't have to sit here all day, put your hand in your chin and be thinking. You have to take action. This is not his money alone. It is for the two of you. Be the lion that you are. I married you as a man and not a weakling. It is your right. Please, you have to stop thinking and take action. That is the best thing you can do for yourself right now. Let's go to bed. Let's go, because there's nothing you will do. Even if I leave you from now till tomorrow, you will still sit here thinking. Let's go. Nabili. Let's go. What is even wrong with you? Agodi, what is wrong with you? So you just want to go back like that, Ekwa? You want to go? God has decided to put a smile on your face. You said you want to continue frowning, continue suffering, and allowing Zewi and his wife to enjoy your own money. Now have sense now.
What do you want me to do, this woman? I have confronted him. He said I have not paid him. What do you want me to do again now? Oh, you want me to force him to accept the fact that they have paid him?
No, wait for me to carry...
Guinea!
No, wait for me to carry Akamu and come and feed you. Since you don't have common sense. You cannot think very fast. Tata, you don't have sense. You cannot calculate and tell yourself. And in fact, ask yourself where he has been getting all the money he has been spending.
It's okay. As far as I'm concerned, they have not paid him.
How?
Okay? When they pay him, he will let me know. They have not paid him, this woman. Leave me alone, please. In peace. Let me go.
Hey! You always like to suffer. Continue. Stay under the sun, morning, afternoon, and night. I just pray poverty does not kill you. She just gave you money in your hand like this, and you are carrying that same money and throwing it away. Let poverty not kill you.
The truth I told you is enough for us. As you Isinama Simo, Lazy Anoma. When them fallen, look at me.
You have been too moody since you returned from this last trip. The rumor about your brother, is it true?
My brother, I'm confused. I want you to advise me.
What is it?
I got to the village and I confirmed it is true that my brother bought a land. It is also true that he bought a mini shuttle bus. But when I confronted him about the matter I told you, if the telephone company has paid, he insisted that they have not paid. That is not even the problem. The problem I'm having now is my wife has been on my neck. She has been pressurizing me to fight my brother, trouble my brother, shake my brother, make him say the truth. I don't know what to do. I mean, should I just go ahead and fight him? I mean, cause trouble when there's no proof to show that he has been paid? Or even do I stand in the position to question my brother when he got money to buy those things he bought?
Fighting your brother on a mere assumption is not necessary. I wouldn't advise you to do that. Since you have no proof that the company has paid him, there's no need fighting him. And you do not have any right to ask him where he got the money he's spending. So I suggest you let him be for now. Sooner or later, the truth must surface. Then you have every reason to fight him anyhow you want to.
Exactly my point. You see why I like running to you for advice. You are a very wise man, just like me.
And one more thing. Please do not take every of your wife's words seriously. Because if you do, you may end up meeting your untimely death on a matter that does not deserve it. No matter how hard she pushes you, do not act with your emotions. Act with your brains instead. Your brains. Very important.
She doesn't know what she's saying. Doesn't know what she's saying. Listen to me, you won't listen.
Yeah, okay, it's okay now.
Carry,
Don't you know it's too heavy?
This more.
How you be loading your bucket as if it's a tipper? Don't. Keep quiet there. Keep quiet. Don't.
Who is calling me by this time?
Oh, this woman again, she will not allow me to rest. Eh? Hello? Yeah? See, how many times will I warn you not to call me during work hours? Eh? Why can't you just obey simple instruction?
Agodi, listen to me. It's only when it comes to my matter you start showing your strength. You start showing me manpower. Anyway, I am just coming from the market. And as I'm talking to you, I saw some boys clearing the bushes in that particular land your brother lied to you that has not been sold.
Eh?
No, it's not a matter of It's not a matter of They are already clearing the bushes in that land. Since you want to suffer, you want to stay in the city and continue bricklaying work. It's not my problem. I have tried to help you as much as I can. But I just called you to tell you that they are clearing that land. So you know that your brother has been lying to you. I'm sure by tomorrow, full work will start on that land.
Wait, Amuche. Wait now. Please, let me ask you a question. Did you see them? Did you see anyone close to them? Amuche.
If you like, don't bring your lazy self from the city back here.
Amuche.
You will not listen. Amuche now, all common sense. She doesn't know what she's saying. Nwanu, let's see.
Wait. She caught the call. Mbanu. Mba. I will kill somebody today.
Carry this thing go now.
Is it because of money? Is it because of money? The truth I told you is enough for see. Is your kungwale? Is in a massive more. There's the animal. When them falling on ya, look at me. I'm helpless. Look at me.
What's up now? Why you do your shit? You know what again?
Oh boy. You get something with the bother me. You get something I want to attend to with the very, very important to me.
Nah. Waiting that thing. Waiting happen. That thing. You know what color your daily pay? See, finish your work first. You collect your money before you go attend to what you want to attend to.
What did they do you, Seth? No, tell me, what did they do you? And they tell you, say, you get something they bother me as a man. And say, I want to go there, make I go attend to the matter. You stand for there, they tell me, say, make I wait for daily pay. How much be daily pay, Seth? How much be daily pay? I come, make your head in your neck.
I beg no shout for me, not be me cause your problem. Now you know. I'll go collect your own abi. Thank you.
Who asked you people to clear this land?
So you haven't heard? NTM has bought this land and they want to mount their mass here. That is why we are clearing it.
It's okay. Thank you.
Scam. No one stole you. Don't tell a monkey. Forget cock and bull story.
Hey, have you seen it? Agodi, I'm asking you, have you seen it? That is the same person you call your brother. Your blood brother. Have you seen it? Anytime I talk, you tell me, no, my brother cannot do it. He's my blood. He would not hurt me. No, Oburo saw your blood or your water. Look at what he has done to you. If you had acted fast, I'm sure things wouldn't get to this level. Think you would not think. God blessed you with a wife with so much wisdom. She wants to share it with you. Isemumba. You want to act on your own. Now look at what is happening. Has he done it or not? You would not listen. When I talk, it seems I talk too much. But now, it's happening in your face. Now tell me, who is losing? Who is losing? Don't just stand there tapping your leg. Know what to do. Know what to do. You won't say anything. Mwanu, since it's tapping time, let's tap. I name a tapping competition. We will tap the leg together.
I never see this type of scam before. I now want to hear. Now my share I want to hear. Give me my share. Just give me my share.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you very much, Nche. Nche. Yes. I know you are my father's favorite when he was still alive.
Oh yes, yes.
That is why I'm here. To tell you that which bothers me. Because by the time I start, people will ask questions. They will ask, who did I tell when all this nonsense were going on?
So what happened?
So that is why I'm here, because what I'm about to do. What I'm about to do, any ear that hears it will be tangled.
What really happened? Let's hear.
I have been working day in, day out in Onitsha. Working as a laborer. Feeding from hand to mouth. Working so hard to make ends meet. And then suddenly, an opportunity came. And my brother, Nzewi, wants to hold this opportunity all to himself.
Is it about a telecommunication company that bought your land recently?
Yes. Could you believe that the company has paid my brother 10 million naira? 10 million naira. And he's spending the money all to himself.
No, that's not fair now.
So warn him. Please talk to him. Warn him, oh, because what I will do to him, you will not believe.
Just calm down, my son. Calm down. But what is he saying presently?
Okay. At first he said, don't worry. When they pay the money, I will just call you. We'll share it. I'll give you your share. Eh? Everything will be good for us. Things will be better. Yes. I believed him. But the moment the money was paid, the music changed. He started claiming ownership of the land.
My son, the truth is that your late father, my brother, did not share the piece of land before he died. And he is the first son, and by right, he owns everything. Let me tell you, if he gives you anything out of the land, he's doing that out of his own benevolence. And remember, your father gave you an anobi where you built your own house.
Nche, are you trying to tell me that I don't have a share in this money? No. Let me remind you. Have we not been staying together? Have we not been doing things together? In fact, all the piece of land that my father had left behind, have we not been using them together? Even my wife Amuche, whenever she wants to do her farm work, she chose the land she wants to farm on. Also his wife. Why is it that the story has not changed? Is it because a huge amount of money is involved? Is that why he's claiming ownership? Is that why?
Son, you wouldn't understand. You wouldn't understand. Let me tell you something. Your brother have been doing these things out of love and for the unity of the family. But you wouldn't know. The man has done this once to keep the family to himself. Right now, traditionally, all these things belong to him. They do belong to him. Until they are officially shared. Are you hearing me? So don't see it as if he's wicked or what. No, he's looking at his stand as the elder of the family. Exactly. Until it is officially shared, they all belong to him.
So, Nche, what are you telling me now? Are you telling me that I don't have a share in this money?
I have not said so, my son. Just calm down. I will come and see your brother, where I will talk some sense into him. At the end of the day, I know something good will come. Just give me time. Be patient, my son. Patient. Just give me time. Sorry, my son. It will work out.
No. What did Ichiem say?
He said he will come to see him, so he can speak to him.
Yeah.
Yes.
He should come fast, though. He needs to be here soonest.
As for me, I'm not leaving this village anytime soon. I'm not leaving this village anytime soon for the city.
My dear.
Until I see to the end of this matter.
Oh, come on. It is better. You have done well, my husband. You cannot be in the city while there is fire on the mountain in your household. You have done well. That is the right thing for you to do. Eh? It is better you do it that way. Papa Maka, had I known. Do you understand? Speak.
Yeah. I came to see you because of what is bothering me. Nobody prays for war. And no sane man wakes up and runs into the battlefield. People do not go to war except there is no alternative. Because war brings no benefit. Everything about war is losses.
Ichie.
Yes.
I will not pretend I do not know what you are talking about. I was expecting this visit.
Good. You see, no. Remember, he is your younger brother. And there is something I must tell you. The love and unity that ensues within your family, your brother's family and your family, has become an envy in this village that everyone looks up to. That allowing this telecommunication issue to now come and bring a divide amongst you, it's not the best at all.
Ichie, I was the one who told my brother, Akodi, about that business. I told him how much the company was going to pay. I told him when the company was going to pay. Then I told him that I will share the money with him. You can ask him.
So what went wrong?
His wife went wrong. His wife. She started feeding him with all sorts of nonsense, all sorts of lies, telling him rubbish, making him believe false stories about me. Instead of my brother to stoop low and get vital information from his elder brother, he started insulting me, saying nonsense, insulting me, insulting my wife, talking to us without any atom of respect. Or
It's okay. I understand your plight. Please forgive him. Remember, he's your younger brother. He's still your younger brother.
I have not forgotten that he's my younger brother. But he has forgotten that I am his elder brother. So I need to remind him. And the only way to do that is by insisting that I will not give him a dime from the sale of that land. Let him do his worst. I will not give him a couple. Nothing. After all, I'm the first son. Traditionally, that land belongs to me. Until we do whatever, sharing or signing or whatever. That is, even if I decide to give him, I can still say no and nothing will happen. Traditionally, it is my land.
I understand. So are you now saying my coming to plead on his behalf does not mean anything to you? Is that what you're telling me?
Let me deal with this boy. Huh? Allow me to show him Pepe. Anyway, you know I have a lot of respect for you, Chi. I'll have everything on my decision.
Good. Now you're talking. So, when are you intending to give him his own share of the sale from the land?
The truth is, I have not received a dime for the sale of that land.
Really?
Really? Not even a couple. I've not gotten anything.
Then why has your younger brother been clamoring?
Don't mind the stupid boy. Just working on assumptions and whatever lies his wife is feeding him on. So not receive a dime.
Too bad. Agoli, why did you tell me that your brother has been paid by the telephone company?
Wait a minute, Ishe. Did they deny the fact that the telephone company has not paid him?
He said he has not been paid a dime.
And you believed him?
I really do not know who to believe among the two of you right now.
It's okay. It's okay. Thank you very much for all that you have done. Thanks for your concern, eh?
Sure.
I will take it from here. Thank you very much.
But I wouldn't want you to go and fight him.
I'm okay.
Please.
I'm fine. Thanks for coming around, eh?
Okay. Let me rely on you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Because of money, money. Is it because of money? The truth I told you is enough for us. It's your bungalow. It's in a massive more. There's a no man.
Amuche. Okay?
Nam, you're back.
Yes.
Sit down, sit down. What did you tell Ichi?
Can you imagine this thief of a brother? This big thief that I had respect for before. He went to Ichi and had the guts to tell him that NTM has not paid him a dime.
Oh, Kotorigba, oh, yeah. They've not paid him. They have not paid him. Nam, that is a big lie from the pit of hell. That is a lie.
Look at this nitwits that I have so much respect for. Eh? Telling cheap lies. Can you imagine that? But I tell you what, this is the last. Good. This is the last.
Very good.
I'm telling you, this is the last point. He cannot lie beyond this point. I will show him. They have not paid you, but you bought a piece of land.
Number one.
They have not paid you, yet you bought a bus.
Number two.
Oh, they have not paid you, yet people are at the site clearing the land.
Number three.
They want to mount their mast. Let me see how they will mount it.
Now you are saying what I want to hear. You're understanding my point. You are getting my point. But we need to act fast. We need to act fast. It's not just sitting at home and shouting. We need to put action. Oh? Man, calm down.
Hey! I've been a fool all this while.
Yes, you have been a fool, but you have to stop being a fool.
Nzewi! What kind of a brother are you?
Stop shouting.
No, I'm asking, what kind of a brother are you?
Stop shouting. Save this energy for fight. The upcoming fight. Save this energy. Oh, stop shouting. Yeah. Oh.
Your blood runs in my body. Even when I'm about together we are stronger. Just believe in me, and I will believe in you. It will not survive when you get to love so bad.
My husband, I don't know where your younger brother is going to. He came out this morning, sharpened his cutlass, without saying a word to me. And he ran out like somebody that is going to commit murder.
Murder?
Do I know?
then you have nothing to worry about. I'm here, I'm fine. You are here with me, you are fine. Our children are in the boarding school outside the state, they are fine. So that's his business. If he wants to murder his own children or his wife, it's his problem. You shouldn't be bothered with it. Go and continue what you're doing.
The way he sharpened that cutlass, I'm afraid.
I said go and continue what you are doing. Why are you bothered? Is he walking in here now? Huh? Don't worry about it. If he decides to even commit suicide, that's his own problem. Sharpen his knife and cut off his belly.
I should go and continue.
Go and continue what you are doing.
And when your blood runs in my body, even when them opatic blood, I'm in a hero. Together we are stronger. Just believe in me, and I will believe in you. I'm in a hero. Little lesson.
Wait for me! Wait for me! Nonsense! Wait for me! Why are you running? Let me see your legs on this land again. Let me see your legs on this part of land again. You see what I will do to you? I will cut off your head.
Look at me, I'm helpless. Look at me, I'm helpless. Yellow maka. When them follow my I still love you. When them follow my I still love you. When them follow my
Ndiala, let me see you. Let me see your legs on this parcel of land again. Now you see what I will do to you. Nonsense. You have the guts to come and clear the property that does not belong to you. Let me see anybody in this village. Let me see you. Come and step on this land, and you see what will happen to you.
Scam. No one stole you. Don't tell monkey. Forget cockapoo story. I know where your story is. Forget this story. Family scam. I never see this type of scam before. I know one to hear. Now my share I want to hear. Give me my
Yes. Very good. Now, if you have strong head, let me see anybody that will come and untie this on me. Then you see what will happen to you. In Diala, the land that does not belong to you. You want to come and clear it. Come on, mount mask, let me see now. Nonsense.
Problem? What problem?
Is this how we're going to do this business? Eh?
No, tell me now, what did my brother do? What is the problem?
Your brother went to the site where my workers are working and chased them away with the cutlass. They're all gone. And there's no more going on there now.
I'm just hearing this, oh. I did not authorize it. Don't worry, let me...
I am worried, Mr. Nzewi. My boss is on my neck. All the materials needed for this job are already on their way. Where are they supposed to keep it? In the bush? They ought to have cleared that land by now.
It's okay. Don't worry, Iwe Garden Uncle. I will handle it. Just give me some time, I'll fix everything. Biko.
You better do.
Don't worry, I said I'll take care of it. Huh? Give me some time. Maximum 3 hours. 2 to 3 hours, I'll sort out everything. Your boys will go back to work. Okay?
You better do, Mr. Nzewi. You better do.
Alright.
My husband, what is it?
Baby, what is it?
It's one site where my workers are working for me. In Umobon village. I think the land is on district and one of them just came to the land, chased away all my workers. How am I supposed to complete the project?
What nonsense! That shouldn't disturb your work, oh, please!
Well, I just pray it doesn't. I just hope this whole thing is being handled by the man I just called. They should take care of their problems.
Okay, please calm down, okay? Just calm down. You're always handsome.
See how pretty you are. You see the way you just calm me down. You see why I can't do without the two of you. Come on.
We are special.
Sugar.
Can't spoil this.
Let this groove not spoil, right?
Yeah.
What is wrong with that boy, Akodi? Eh? Can you believe that Akodi went to the site, chased out all the workers there with a machete? I'm telling you.
But I told you when he was leaving.
I'll deal with that boy. Let's just hear better.
Please take it easy. Take it easy on him, please.
Don't worry, I know what to do to him. By the time I'm done with Agodi, he will be asking God, why did you create me? That will be his line, idiot. Don't worry.
What is wrong with Agodi?
Stupid boy.
I don't know what is wrong with him.
Any authorization on a land? Is this your land? Is it his land on any authorization? Is it his land? Idiot.
Agodi has turned to something else. He has turned to something else, man. Biko. Just take it easy on him, please. Why you?
I'm waiting for him.
Why you? Hey?
Agodi! Stop there! Stop there! Why did you go to that land and just how the boys that were working there? Eh? Why?
Because I don't want them to work on that land anymore.
Is it your land? I'm asking you. Is it your land? Why would you do such a thing? Is it your land?
Are you asking that?
I am asking you because you asked me for... Or give me the land. Wokem, don't try this again. I am not here for chance play. I am your elder brother. Nobody gave you the right to do such a thing. If you go there and see boys working there, leave them to work. It's not your business. It is my land. Yes.
Akukifo.
Eh? Don't walk him. Stop there.
If you come close to me and live with your neck carry your head, then my name is Agodi.
Eh? You will chop off my head.
Who are your husband?
Agodi, you will chop off my head.
Your husband.
Chop it off today. Naisim. Agodi, Naisim. Walk up, chop off my head. Oh, leave me. Stupid. This boy said you will chop. Come on. Agodi, chop off my head. Come on, chop off my head. Agodi. Stupid boy. You will chop off your brother. Okay. You can't lose him. Okay, come on, chop off my head. Agodi.
Please, I beg you, please, Biko. Biko, now, Biko. Please, I beg you. Please.
I will kill this boy today. I'll kill this boy today. Idiots. Tell your boys to go back to work. Yes, I've sorted out everything. Exactly. Yes, now you can count on me. Huh? Tell your boys to go back to work. I've taken care of everything. Let them work. Alright. Thank you.
My husband. But I think...
No buts. Since Agodi doesn't want to respect me, I will teach him some manners. That company will erect their mast on that land and nothing will happen. That land belongs to me. Stupid boy. Osuko, one more word from you. One more word from you. One, just one. One more word. Talk. Talk. What robbery?
Anyway, my elders, please, with due respect, I don't even want to know anymore if he signed it, or if he didn't pay, or if he paid. All I want is my own share of the money. Else, as far as I am alive, nobody, I repeat, nobody will step foot into that land to do anything.
My brother, you lie.
Hey!
Yes, as a matter of fact, my workers have started work there.
Okay?
And no man should be found 20 meters around that property.
Okay.
Not after having paid for that property.
Okay.
Pay for my room.
If you have any problem concerning that land, settle it with your brother.
Pay for which land?
Warn this young man here.
After paying for which land?
Warn this young man about this.